Air pollution, plastic waste, and CO2 are casting dark shadows over our planet. In this growing crisis, bamboo in China has risen as a powerful force in the green revolution. From vast forests, its humble stalks travel straight into advanced factories, where lasers, robots, and automated production lines transform them into materials of the future. No longer just a cultural symbol, bamboo now forms the backbone of a wide range of eco-friendly products: straws, toothbrushes, charcoal, and even sustainable building materials. Millions of items roll off the production lines each year, fueling massive profits and securing China's lead in the global race for ecological innovation. But how did such a simple plant evolve into a cornerstone of 21st century technology? To answer that, we need to look at the numbers. Each year, the world produces more than 300 million tons of plastic waste, and China is among the countries facing the greatest pressure from pollution. This is why bamboo has become a strategic trump card in the nation's sustainable development plans. Today, China has more than 6 million hectares of bamboo forests, with billions of stalks spreading across the southern regions, the largest concentration on Earth. More than a renewable resource, bamboo delivers enormous economic value. The bamboo products industry alone generates over $3 billion in exports every year. From a fast-growing plant once seen as ordinary and familiar, bamboo has been elevated into the heart of a thriving green economy, helping reduce plastic waste while strengthening China's global position in uniting nature with technology.
But before becoming a symbol of the green industry, bamboo was once tied to a darker past. During World War II, many accounts from prisoners of war and surviving soldiers mentioned that bamboo was used as a tool for extracting information in wartime, turning it into a symbol that was both powerful and haunting. Although the details remain disputed and official evidence is limited, this story exposes the darker side of a plant long seen as a symbol of life. Do you think this is the truth, or just an exaggeration of history? Either way, bamboo has now stepped into a completely different journey in the modern era.
Today, bamboo has become the very first link in the chain of sustainable technology. In the southern forests of China, the roar of power saws has replaced the slow, rhythmic swing of hand axes from the past. Workers now operate modern equipment, cutting down towering bamboo stalks, some stretching 15 to 20 meters tall in just a matter of seconds. The glossy outer skin glistening under the hot sun signals that the bamboo has reached its perfect balance of strength and flexibility, ready to enter the production line. Each precise cut sends a stalk dropping cleanly to the ground. Workers immediately trim off the base and nodes to prevent water from collecting a small step, but one that ensures the forest can regrow naturally. With the help of chainsaws, a single worker can fell up to 150 stalks per hour, far surpassing the speed of manual labor while still maintaining accuracy. Impressive numbers, but if someone offered you $50, would you try a day of bamboo harvesting with nothing but a powerful saw in your hands? For the workers here, it's not a challenge, it's an everyday routine. The harvested stalks are bundled into massive loads, turning the entire forest into an open-air assembly line where humans and machines move in perfect rhythm. Because in the world of bamboo, harvesting isn't the final step, it's a crucial link in a closed-loop system, where green forests fuel the factories that are shaping a sustainable future. Today, bamboo has become the very first link in the chain of sustainable technology. In the southern forests of China, the roar of power saws has replaced the slow, rhythmic swing of hand axes from the past. Workers now operate modern equipment, cutting down towering bamboo stalks, some stretching 15 to 20 meters tall in just a matter of seconds. The glossy outer skin glistening under the hot sun signals that the bamboo has reached its perfect balance of strength and flexibility, ready to enter the production line. Each precise cut sends a stalk dropping cleanly to the ground. Workers immediately trim off the base and nodes to prevent water from collecting a small step, but one that ensures the forest can regrow naturally. With the help of chainsaws, a single worker can fell up to 150 stalks per hour, far surpassing the speed of manual labor while still maintaining accuracy. Impressive numbers, but if someone offered you $50, would you try a day of bamboo harvesting with nothing but a powerful saw in your hands? For the workers here, it's not a challenge, it's an everyday routine. The harvested stalks are bundled into massive loads, turning the entire forest into an open-air assembly line where humans and machines move in perfect rhythm. Because in the world of bamboo, harvesting isn't the final step, it's a crucial link in a closed-loop system, where green forests fuel the factories that are shaping a sustainable future.
In modern construction, bamboo has gone far beyond its image as a humble plant. Mature stalks, once harvested, undergo strict treatment to remove impurities, sticky resin, and to stabilize their moisture content. This crucial step allows bamboo to resist termites, extend its lifespan, and withstand the harsh conditions of building environments. Next, the bamboo is fed into massive hydraulic presses. With a compressive force reaching 500 tons per hour, the weight of an entire train, bamboo strips are pressed tightly together into solid uniform boards. Under this immense pressure, bamboo is reborn as a new material, one that preserves its natural grain while gaining exceptional mechanical strength, strong enough to replace many rare hardwoods in construction. The rough boards then move onto automated cutting lines. Industrial blades slice with millimeter precision, tailoring each piece to the exact dimensions required by architectural designs. The edges are carefully smoothed, while surfaces are refined to eliminate any roughness, ensuring both visual appeal and flawless fitting. Thanks to this meticulous processing, bamboo boards are not only beautiful, but also durable, capable of withstanding weather, heavy loads, and daily wear. Finally, the finished boards are packaged and carefully stored, ready to leave the factory and become the foundation of green buildings. From the forest to the city, bamboo completes its natural cycle only to be reborn as a sustainable symbol for humanity, bridging tradition and innovation, and proving that nature itself can provide the materials for a resilient future.
If bamboo charcoal shows the strength born from fire, bamboo takes a gentler path when it stays slender, transforming into a simple, practical, and eco-friendly product. The bamboo straw. Made from young bamboo aged 2 to 3 years, these stalks are naturally slim, yet strong. Workers carefully select each one, cut them into even segments, and clear out the inner nodes to create smooth, hollow tubes, the foundation of every bamboo straw. From the forest, these small bamboo pieces are taken to workshops, arranged neatly in trays, and dried at 70 to 80 degrees C. This step boosts durability while preserving their natural golden color, giving every straw a rustic yet refined appearance. Once fully dried, each piece is polished inside and out, removing rough spots and creating a smooth, glossy finish. Both ends are carefully shaped to ensure comfort when pressed against the lips. Next, the straws are washed with sterilized water to eliminate impurities. After drying at 25 degrees C, they undergo strict quality sorting to ensure every straw meets the required standards. Some are even laser engraved with logos, adding a sharp and elegant branded touch. Finally, the straws are packaged in sturdy, eco-friendly cartons. Each box protects the product while reinforcing the message of sustainability. From the bamboo forest to the consumer's hand, these small but meaningful straws stand ready to replace single-use plastic. So, would you pay $1 for a reusable bamboo straw instead of just a few cents for a disposable plastic one?
If bamboo charcoal shows the strength of fire, bamboo takes another path when it stays slender and transforms into a green, simple, and practical product: the bamboo straw. Made from young bamboo 2 to 3 years old, strong yet naturally slim, these stalks are carefully chosen, cut into even pieces, and cleared through old nodes to form smooth, hollow tubes, the base of every straw. From the forest, the small bamboo segments are taken to workshops, neatly arranged in trays, and dried at 70–80 degrees Celsius. This process increases durability while preserving their natural golden hue, giving each straw a rustic yet refined look. Once dry, every piece is polished inside and out, removing rough spots and leaving a smooth, glossy surface. Both ends are carefully finished to bring comfort when touching the lips. Next, the straws are washed with sterilized water to eliminate all impurities. After drying at 25 degrees, they are strictly sorted to ensure each one meets quality standards. Some are even engraved with logos by laser, adding a sharp, branded touch. Finally, the straws are packed in sturdy, eco-friendly cartons. Each box not only protects the product, but also reinforces the green commitment from the bamboo forest to the consumer's hand. Small but sustainable, bamboo straws are ready to replace single-use plastic. Would you pay $1 for a reusable bamboo straw instead of just a few cents for a disposable plastic one?
While bamboo straws bring the breath of nature into every drink, bamboo spoons elevate each meal into a friendly and refined experience. Unlike traditional handmade products, today's bamboo spoons are crafted entirely with modern machinery. From shaping and surface treatment to sterilization and drying, every step is automated to guarantee high quality, safety, and eco-friendliness. Each detail is carefully controlled, giving the spoon a solid feel, a smooth texture, and practical comfort for daily use. Even a simple plate of pasta, enjoyed with a bamboo fork, becomes a unique experience blending function, beauty, and sustainability. Once finished, bamboo spoons and forks move to the packaging stage. In some factories, workers still wrap each piece by hand for safety, while more advanced facilities use smart sensor robots to automatically pack them into small paper bags, both protective and convenient for transport. These bags are then neatly arranged into cartons, forming complete shipments ready for consumers. Thanks to the combination of modern manufacturing and the sustainable nature of bamboo, the bamboo spoon is more than a simple dining utensil. It is proof of bamboo's endless capacity to regenerate and serve people in countless aspects of life. Not limited to everyday products, bamboo salt begins a very different journey where bamboo, earth, and fire come together to create a truly unique seasoning. The process starts with fresh bamboo stalks, about 3 years old. Workers cut them into sections, fill each hollow tube with natural sea salt, and seal both ends with yellow clay. This clay coating not only protects the salt inside, but also acts as a shield against impurities, keeping its purity intact for what is to come. When the massive clay furnace is fired, the bamboo tubes are carefully stacked inside. Temperatures rise to between 800 and 1,000 degrees Celsius, causing the bamboo to burn away and the clay to crack, leaving behind a darkened block of salt, already infused with minerals from both bamboo and clay. Once the furnace cools, this hardened salt mass is removed, broken into smaller pieces, and ground finely. But this is only the beginning of a long cycle. The salt is packed back into bamboo, sealed with clay, and fired again. Each repetition is another trial by fire, helping the salt shed impurities while absorbing greater amounts of valuable minerals, including calcium, potassium, and iron. When the journey through fire is complete, the glossy black salt blocks are allowed to cool fully. Workers break them apart with hammers, then grind them into small, uniform, pure crystals. In every grain lies not just the briny taste of the sea, but also the minerals of bamboo and earth, delivering richer flavor and notable health benefits. Behind bamboo's rustic appearance lies a sophisticated technological journey. From careful selection, cutting, drying, and polishing, to being crafted into straws, spoons, toothbrushes, or biochar, every step is rigorously controlled, blending human skill with modern machinery. China has transformed this natural resource into a green production system, delivering millions of eco-friendly products every year. But can bamboo continue to meet global demand while remaining fully sustainable? Share your thoughts and explore more about the secrets of material crafting and regeneration.